Ownership of precious metals has a long history of safeguarding wealth during periods of economic downturn. Since 2000, gold, silver, and platinum have proven to greatly outperform many other asset types. From a threatened U.S. dollar to ongoing geopolitical concerns around the world, there are a number of reasons that many people are deciding to move a portion of their assets into U.S. government-issued gold. Gold is a store of wealth. Though it is seldom used as a currency today, gold has been a store of wealth for over 3 millenniums. Unlike stocks and bonds, gold is a physical, tangible asset that you can hold in your hand. In today's digital age, having a physical asset that can stand the test of time can be a good decision when considering how to diversify and expand your portfolio. Gold is a safe haven. Gold is considered to be a safe haven asset, as it acts as an excellent hedge against financial crisis. Historically, as global tensions rise, causing major currencies to depreciate, gold's value has proven to remain stable and even improve. For this reason, many consider it the crisis commodity, a safe haven against looming uncertainties. Gold is a portfolio diversifier. Having a diverse portfolio is extremely beneficial for protecting one's wealth against the uncertainty of the markets. This makes owning gold a smart decision. Diversifying one's portfolio with physical precious metals can diminish the risks of a volatile market. If you're interested in learning more about why gold should be a part of your portfolio, call the number on your screen or click the link below. As America's gold authority, U.S. Money Reserve is here to help you every step of the way. Check out the Did You Know playlist on our YouTube page to see more interesting videos about gold.